and Tottenham remain on bail. And the Oscars have been postponed for only the 4th time in their history. Next year's ceremony has been put back 2 months to April because of coronavirus. London's weather, another warm and humid day ahead, mostly dry again, plenty of sunny spells, but always the risk of a sharp thundery shower. Top temperatures 23 Celsius, 73 Fahrenheit. Now with the BBC Radio London travel, Lewis Gillingham.
Thank you, Matthew. A much reduced service continues to operate on across London's public transport network, and the advice from TfL remains to avoid using public transport if at all possible, and if you do have to use it, to not use it at the busiest times. Also, face coverings must be worn for the entire journey as well. Now, as for live news on the trains, a broken down freight train at Nunhead is causing quite severe delays now on Thameslink and South Eastern Railway. They're having to divert their services, so they've cancelled quite a lot of them, and the ones that are running with delays. On the roads, looking very slow coming into town on the A40 from Northolt to Perivale. Looks like there could have been an accident there, briefly blocking off the lanes. Looking on camera, it does look like it's moved onto the edge of the road, but causing long queues. The M25 looking very slow anti-clockwise from junction 25 at Enfield, junction 24 at Potters Bar due to roadworks, causing queues actually back to junction 26, and there's also delays on the A13 coming into town from Dagenham to Barking. Lewis Gillingham, BBC Radio London. More trouble in the news at 8.
BBC Sounds.
In these testing times, people in London and everywhere in the UK are making a difference.
Ladies is partnering up with the Fryer team, all about the Great British Fryer. We cook with them online, we sort of critique their fryer, and the idea is basically that we just have a good laugh, but also raise some money and awareness. What we're aiming to do now is cook 500 meals a week and carry on helping those vulnerable people in communities.
Hear more inspiring stories on the Make a Difference podcast, available on BBC Sounds and on The Joe Good Show, Tuesdays and Fridays from 1:30. BBC Radio London, bringing us closer.
Listener, that was a mistake. Boris Johnson has defended his proposal to set up a new commission to examine racial inequality. The Prime Minister says it will bring a positive agenda for change. But Labour's David Lammy said it was written on the back of a fag packet to assuage anti-racism protests. And we're joined by Belle Ribeiro-Addy, the Labour MP for Streatham, who is here to join me on the programme. Good morning.
Good morning.
Well, gosh, I mean, it's a very severe indictment of this potential inquiry, isn't it, to say that it looks and feels as if it's been scribbled on the back of a fag packet. Do you think David Lammy has a point with that one?